안녕, 미스톨롱이야. 여러분, 안녕하세요 and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, before I move tomorrow to Gwangju for my master's, I'd like to tour you or show you my dorm, this building behind me. I've been planning to do this for a long time, but I don't have energy to do it. But now, since I'm not doing anything, I'm just killing the time, why not give you a tour? And of course, I will also include the rooms that we were staying for the past 11 months here in Konyang University, Nonsan campus. So as you know, as a GKS student, this dorm is the only dorm that we can stay. And this one is the international dorm. It's mixed with some Koreans, but mostly GKS students. Konyang University has, I think, 5 dormitories, but as I've said, this is the only dorm that you can stay. And like last year, because of the COVID, we were forced to move there because this dorm was used for quarantine. But now, I think there's no more quarantine, so probably you won't be able to use the other dorms. So most of the Koreans stayed on that dorms over there, 남자 and 여자 dorm. So 시작할게요. So the name of our dorm is this one, 선행화학사. This building is up to 11th floor. First floor is for Koreans, male Koreans. Second floor is mixed male Koreans and some GKS foreign students. Third one is for international students, male, and the rest is for ladies floor from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one trivia, here in Korea they don't have 4th floor because they think it's a bad luck. So let's go inside. Alright, so I'm now here on the entrance. This is the first floor of the dorm. What I love here is this vending machine, and you can buy using your T-money with it. So does here. So, yep. First floor. Okay, so first, let's go to the basement first, and I'll show you a lot of things in the basement. Alright, so we're now here in the basement. As you can see, there's a vending machine and there are like different kinds of rooms here. You know? Wanna see? First room here is the laundry room. Ta-da! And this one is in the basement. So you have the dryer here, and the washing machines. So you can come here, but supposed to be it's only until 11:30, but they don't mind. Okay, so that's the first room here in the basement. Second one is our common room where you can eat. You see that? There's like microwave ovens here. 2 microwave ovens, heater, and yeah. So most of the time you come here to play with my friends, like playing cards, chatting, because this is the only place in the dorm that we can meet. So this is how it looked like. let's proceed to the next room. Alright, this one's supposed to be a study room, but I haven't used this one. I don't know, because I don't know if it's usable or yeah. And then there is like restroom. And what I love about this basement of this dorm is this one. Let me show you. Ta-da! We have our own housejang, or the gym, where we can work out for free. It's been like, because it was closed last year, we only were able to use this year because the COVID restriction is lifted. So yeah, see that. Though the equipments here are kind of old, it's rusty, but still usable. So I usually come here most of my free time to run, because we have treadmills. We also have a lot of stuff here. Well, yeah. On the other dorm, they have only for the men's dorm. So this is a treadmill. The best place I can say in this dorm is this one. Because I can work out freely. I don't need to pay. I just can come anytime and use this one. So yeah, this is the basement of our dorm. Let's go now to the room. So see, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4층 up. So alright, we're finished with the basement. Now I'm inside the room. So I want to show you what the room looks like. Well, basically all the rooms have the same design. It's like a typical dorm here in Korea. So this is the dorm. It's locked with ping. When you enter, you can see this light is automatic. And when you enter, you will see the lockers here. Drawers. Vacant lockers. I'm supposed to bring it to my room, but my room is now so messy because we're packing and it's just so messy, so I can't. Alright, so 2 lockers. 1 and 2. Okay? And then once you enter, you will see the room. So there are the lockers, the door, and the bed. 2 single beds if you want to have a roommate, but if you don't want to have a roommate, you can pay for the whole room. Okay? Alright, so 2 rooms. We have table, drawer, a fan, AC, and they also have this I'll say heater for the winter. So the thing that I don't like here in the dorm is, see that you have to share rooms with other people on the other side of the room. So you have to, like, you have to share the shower, the restroom area. You have to share the restroom area with them, and also the shower area. So yeah, this is the shower. So basically it's like one big room divided into 2, and 2 people live on each rooms. I don't know if you get it, but that's how it is. And the toilet and the shower is kind of separated. So if other people wants to use the shower, you can use the shower, while the other person can use the toilet, which is a good thing. 11th floor, which is not allowed to come here. But I just want to show you the hallway. This is the hallway look like. Right, this is the hallway. And then each floor has its own lounge where you can talk with your friends, where you can eat if you don't want to eat inside your room. And we also have a fridge in each floor and a water dispenser. So it's kind of convenient, but if there's a lot of people using it, it's not a good thing. So this floor is basically owned by female, but since most of the students are on their vacation, so it's empty, right? So I'm gonna show you a secret place here in the tour, which is forbidden, but anyway, I'm leaving. I just want to show you one of my favorite spots here in the dorm. Let's see. So yeah, as you can see, I'm now here in the rooftop of our dorm, which is not really allowed to come here. I don't know what will happen to me. I think I will die if somebody finds out, but I really love this spot. Aside from the basement, which is the gym, this is one of the best spots here in the dorm, I can say. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end that video here. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. 여러분, 감사합니다. 안녕. Thanks for watching. 감사합니다. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.